Er zijn heel wat portfolio's niet aangevuld helemaal. Ik wil die bij Norden te brengen, ik probeer die naar allebei te schrijven, maar ik moet bij iedereen 5 teksten in het midden staan. En dan bijvoorbeeld die Lando, je hebt er eentje ingeschreven. Dat heb ik er nog, dus dan moet je in orde brengen.
Hello, we have choose Thibaut Courtois because he is the best goalkeeper of Belgium, maybe in the world. Courtois is very nice. Thibaut Courtois is our idol. First, we will say some things. First, we will say some things over Thibaut Courtois. Courtois is the son of Gitte Lamberts and Terry Courtois. His mother plays volleyball at the highest level. Courtois also a sister and a brother. His sister plays also volleyball. His brother also. And Courtois also a nice girlfriend. As a second one, we go to tell more about his family and his career. He played soccer with the Red Devils. By him, they are selected for the world champion. The Red Devils coach Mark Wilmot chose him as number 1 of the goal. He was the youngest and the best goalkeeper of Belgium. Pankrat Jorgen talk further about the rest of his career.
During the 2008-2009 season, he played at KFC Genk. When he was 18, he was number 1 in the goal of Genk. He played for Genk so well that he won the best goalkeeper trophy. He was asked for many soccer teams, but he chose Chelsea. Chelsea offered him €9 million. Chelsea is an English team and they are very good because of their trainer Mourinho. And they are high in the competition. Now I'm going to tell about Courtois' features. The full name of Courtois is Thibaut Marc Nicolas Courtois. He has also nicknames like Tintin, Tarantula, Tortuga and El Flago. He is 1.99 m. For us, he's a giant. He's very nimble to be so big and weighs 91 kilograms. Courtois has recently been reporting during the topper Chelsea-Arsenal clash with Alexis Sanchez and continued to lie down, but in retrospect, it turned out to be not so bad. The end. For us, he's one of the best goalkeepers in the world. Therefore, he is certainly our idol and we find him very nice.
Thank you for your attention and until next time.